Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I got a quick coin store pickup for things for the channel, so let's just see what I got. I got a bunch of coin books. I got a Roosevelt Dimes book. I got a Jefferson Nickel book for the Jefferson Nickel search and find the cornrow hunting. I got another Mercury Dimes book. A Lincoln Cents book for the penny search and fill. Then I got another Buffalo Nickel book. I thought these books would be really useful to start different series, different things for the channel. If you have any ideas of stuff you'd like to see on this channel, let me know. Alright. Then I also picked up a couple coins today. They had a deal going on for proofs, and so I got a couple of those for my penny collection and dime collection, just because I'm still missing a couple slots. I have a 2004 S, 1975 S, 2003 S, and 1996 S. I guess they're all BS because they're, proofs. 2007 S, 1976 S, a 2002 S, and a 1997 S. For the dimes, I got a 1971 S and a 1970 S. I also picked up a handful more of the dateless Buffalo Nickels for the dateless Buffalo Search and Fill series that I just started. Then I also got a 1926 S penny for my older penny album book. I'm still missing a couple slots and I'm slowly trying to fill it up for my personal collection. This was just a quick coin store pickup. Thought I'd show you what I had gotten. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and just like always, happy hunting. Ciao.